Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on notification categories. You come to next step here, you come here to product registration here. You just click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's my product registration disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.